Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2001 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. 385 horsepower from this car, and this is probably the cleanest example you will find. 34,000 miles. Still has the original brochure, window sticker, everything. This was a $43,000 car back in 01. Just kind of crazy to think about. Oh man. Believe it or not, this is the first C5 I have ever driven. Not driven a C5 before this. This gearbox is super notchy. Is that reverse? I think that might be still, no, that is reverse. Yep, alright. So you don't have a backup camera to tell you if it's reverse or not. Big, torquey V8. Get some awesome little burbles from this exhaust. If you think about when this came out, this was kind of going right up against the Ferrari 360, which is kind of crazy to think about how much of a bargain these cars are now. And I really think these values are going up fast. I think now that manual Corvettes are a thing of the past, an experience like this you really can't get anywhere else. So if you can find a clean example of one of these, take it and buy it now. We're going into the springtime here in New England, at least when I'm filming this video. So this is the time of year to buy something like this. Oh, you're a good car. This is under 400 horsepower. Let's just keep that in mind. No auto rev match, but it's easy to do yourself. You know, this is just like the Terminator Cobra. I could try to rush this gearbox, but it doesn't really like it. Never been interrupted by a street sweeper. So this is a new one. You have to be so deliberate with your shifting. You have to, it feels like it's like, are you sure you want to upshift? That's 100% what this thing feels like. In terms of handling, man, for something that came out of America in 01, it drives very well. This is such a torquey motor. Matter of fact, I'll start in second. Oh, come on. It's almost better than starting in first. I love this car. This thing is phenomenal. And like I said, I only think they're going to go up in value. I don't think you're gonna find one for any cheaper down the road. Yeah. What a car. Keep in mind, this was before the ZR1 came out. Well, actually, that's not true because the C4 had a ZR1. So this is the Mac Daddy C5, the Z06. Yeah, this is a car. This is a good car at that. I am blown away by how good this is to drive. And it's not like over the top either. It's not as no compromise as I thought. I could definitely daily drive this. But then once you start really having fun with it, you're like, okay, this is a fun car. I definitely think, unlike the newer Corvettes, this is much more of a muscle car feel than a sports car. But unlike muscle cars, this thing can actually drive around the track and be comfortable. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.